those inquiries. Thank you.
Thank you.
Senator Plett.
My next question for the government leader concerns the National Microbiology Lab in Winnipeg. Senator Noe stated earlier the Trudeau government is refusing to comply with an order from the other place to produce uncensored documents on the firing of 2 scientists from the Winnipeg lab. This government is so desperate to hide what it knows about collaboration between Canadian federal researchers and Chinese military scientists that it is willing to defy the House of Commons and be found in contempt, Leader. This is yet another example of the mockery the Trudeau government has made of its so-called commitment to openness and transparency. It's a total sham. Will your government reverse course and publicly release the full, unredacted documents, or will the Trudeau government continue to hide what it knows from Canadians?
Senator Gold.
Senator, thank you for your question. I think the government's position has been stated clearly in the other place. I will certainly make inquiries as to whether or not they are considering changing positions and be happy to report back.
Senator Plett.
Leader, in a September 2018 email, the former head of the microbiology lab, Dr. Matthew Gilmore, wrote his colleagues with concerns about viruses being exported to China and the lab's cooperation with Chinese military scientists. Dr. Gilmore questioned the nature of the work, why certifications weren't provided, why our lab materials were required, and how this group of researchers came to be connected with the microbiology lab. These are all good questions, and it's surprising that the former scientific director general of the lab had to ask them. Leader, 2 scientists were escorted out of the lab and later fired. Why? They have since apparently disappeared. Where are they? The Chinese military scientists received high-level clearance to work at the lab. How did that happen? Why is the Trudeau government afraid to answer basic questions about the security breach at our most important lab?
Senator Gold.
Again, Senator, I do not accept the premises of your question, or the last assertion, rather. It was quite clear. As I stated before, the government is, and I am not prepared to comment further on behalf of the government due to privacy obligations with regard to this matter.
Senator Martin.